stages. You should know for you to be able to draw the nitrogen cycle without looking at your textbook. Symbiotic nitrogen fixation, electrical discharge, non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation, ammonification and nitrification, and denitrification. So without further ado, let's go to the first thing. Nitrogen in the atmosphere or in the air. Now, why do I start with nitrogen in the air? The composition of air, nitrogen have 78% in all the composition of air. So nitrogen in the air first, and then it's being absorbed by the plant, but it must undergo some certain process. Nitrogen is not just absorbed in the plant, it is nitrate that's absorbed in the plant. But we know that it's coming to the plant, and then the plant is going to be eaten by animals. And then both the plant and the animal is eventually going to die. God is the only one that lives forever. And then if you're born again, you're also going to live forever in the kingdom of God. So we're coming like this. He dies, this guy will die, and then we have ammonification. You need to understand this concept. In our previous video, we explained all this. Ammonification, when the organic matter dies, the certain organism act on this matter to decompose them and break them into humus. So this process is known as ammonification. So we have death and decay. Death and decay. Death and decay. All right, when that occurs, then we have ammonification. All right, now after the ammonification, something will happen known as nitrification. Nitrification is the conversion of those dead organic compound, decomposed organic compound into nitrate, from nitrate into nitrates. So the first thing that happened here is nitrate. Sorry, nitrite. Don't confuse the two. We have nitrates, we have nitrates. All right, now this is the one that is being absorbed by the plant. You can have a question that says, which of these is absorbed by the plant? It is not the one with I, it is the one with A. In case you don't know, if you have an A in your result, won't you be happy? Of course you'll be happy. So if the plant has an A among the nitrogen, or between the two nitrogen, the plant will be happy. So it is nitrate that is absorbed by the plant. Gotcha. All right, so here now is nitrification. The bacteria that does nitrification converts ammonium substance into nitrate over here. The name of the bacteria is known as Nitrobacter. Nitrobacter. All right, so let's put it over here, Nitrobacter. Now, another organism will convert the nitrate into nitrate. And then that organism is known as Nitrosomonas. All right, so I'm going to write here, but by oxidation, by Nitrosomonas. All right, now after that, it is being absorbed by the plant, because I told you that this is the one that is absorbed by the plant. So we have absorbed by plant. Then the final stage is denitrification, the loss of nitrogen. All right, but we still have non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. We still have electrical discharge in it. So what do? Let's use this side of the board. Let's call this electrical discharge. Can we write the equation? Let's write the formulas that is involved in electrical discharge. First of all, in electrical discharge, something is happening. Nitrogen in the air combines with oxygen during thunderstorm, during raining, and then nitrogen in the air combines with oxygen to give you what we call nitrogen dioxide, or known as nitric oxide. Now this nitrogen dioxide we now